Hello student, myself Mukesh Kumar. Today our topic is inverse of a matrix. In my last class, I have also discussed about inverse of a matrix of exercise 4.5, but that is of order 2. Today we discuss details about inverse of a matrix. In our 12th syllabus, we have to find inverse of a matrix by three methods. First is elementary transformation method, which we have discussed in exercise 3.4. Second is by cofactor method, which we have also discussed in exercise 4.5. Today we will discuss two questions which I have given in our previous video as your homework, question number 9 and question number 10 of exercise 4.5. And last, in which our motto is to discuss that, so that if A is equal to 1 1 1, 1 2 minus 3, 2 minus 1 3, so that AQ minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0, and using this result find the value of A inverse. So today our discussion topics are here already, and we will try to solve it one by one. Here is a question from NCERT, question number 9. Find inverse if A is equal to 2 1 3, 4 minus 1 0 and minus 7 2 and 1. So we have to find inverse of this matrix using cofactor. So using cofactor is too easy for a student as per elementary transformation method. So see here how we try to find this cofactor of this matrix. So you may write cofactor of A. Cofactor of A is equal to, see here, cofactor of 2 is equal to how much? Cancel first row and first column. So we will get 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 minus 0. And again cofactor of 1. Cancel this and this. Cancel this and this. So you will get, this will equal to 4 into 1. 4 minus 0. And cofactor of 3. This will equal to minus 7. Cancel C1 and cancel R1 and C3. So 4 into 2, you will get 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7. So once again check. For 2, minus 1 minus 0. For 1, 4 minus 0. And for 3, 8 minus 7. And again for 4, this 4 will be equal to 1 into 1, 2 into 3. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 3 minus 6. And for minus 2, minus 1, this will equal to cancel R2 and C2. So it 2, 3 minus 7, 1. So this can be written as 2 plus 21. Again, cofactor of 0, cancel R2 and C3. So you will get 2 into 2, 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7. And after that, cofactor of minus 7. This can be written as 1 into 0 minus 1 into 3. So 0 plus 3. And cofactor of 2, you can write 2 into 0. So this is your 0 minus 12. And cofactor of 1, this can be written as 2 into minus 1 minus 2 and 4 into 1 minus 4. And again check the sign. For sign purpose, here will be plus, here will be minus, here will be plus, here will be minus. This is your plus, this is your minus, this is your plus, this is your minus. So cofactor of this element will be minus 1, minus 4, 1, 1 minus 6 minus 5. So you will get 5, 23, minus 11, 3, 12, minus 6. And check this is correct or not. You once again check it. It is correct or not. So, and after that you have to find a joint of A. A joint of A. A joint of A. This will be equal to, take transpose of this matrix. So this will be equal to, this is your R1 and here is your R2 and here is your R3. So convert R1 in C1. So this will become minus 1, minus 4, 1. See R2, 5, 23 minus 11, and R3 3, 12 minus 6. And use the formula. Your formula is, in our last class I have discussed you, A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Adjoint A upon determinant A. But see here, I have not calculated here determinant. So here you first calculate determinant of A is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 0, minus 1 into 4 minus 0, plus 3 into 8 minus 7. So this can be written as minus 2 minus 4 plus 3. So is equal to minus 3, not equal to 0. That means A inverse exists. A inverse exists. So what is the inverse of this matrix? Simply divide this adjoint by determinant of A. So this will be equal to minus 1 by 3 into minus 1, 5, 3, minus 4, 23, 12, 1, minus 11, minus 6. This is the solution of the question. Simply you have to do nothing. Divide adjoint A by determinant A. For the solution checking purpose, you can also bring this minus 3 inside the matrix sign. So this will become 1 by 3, 5 by 3 and so on. But if you write like this, so this is also the correct method to show your answer. Cofactor of A is equal to. See clearly how I calculate the cofactor. For 1, cancel R1 and C1. So you will get 2 minus 3 minus 2, 4. So this will be your 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. And for minus 1, you will get 0, 4, 3, 3. So you can write 0 plus 3 into 3, 9. And for 2, 0, 2, 3 minus 2. So you will get 0 minus 6. And for 0, element will be minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4. So minus 1 into 4, you will get minus 4 plus 4. And for 2, you will get 4, 3 into 2, 6, minus 6. And for minus 3, you can write 1 into minus 2, and 3 into minus 1, plus 3. And after that, calculate cofactor of 3. So cancel this and this, you will get minus 1, 2, 2, minus 3. So this will be equal to minus 1 into 3, 3, and 2 into 2, minus 4. And for minus 2, you can write 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 0. And for 4, you can write this will be equal to 2 into 1, 2, minus 0. And write this sign. So here will be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So your solution will be this will equal to 2, minus 9, minus 6, 0, minus 2, minus 1, and again minus 1, 3 and 2. Check it is correct or not. Check here it is correct or not. So 2 minus 9 6, 0 minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 3 and 2. It is correct. Again calculate. First you before finding the cofactor, first you calculate determinant of it. So this will equal to 1 into 8 minus 6 plus 1 into 0 plus 9 plus 2 into 0 minus 6. So this will be equal to 2, 9 into 1 plus 9 minus 12. So this will equal to minus 1 not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. A inverse exists means we can calculate inverse of A. Meaning of A inverse exists means we can calculate inverse of A. So after that, use the formula A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. So adjoint A is equal to what? You have to take for adjoint A, write cofactor of this matrix, transpose of this matrix. So this will be equal to, if you take transpose, so this can be written as 2 minus 9 minus 6, 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 3 2. So this is your R1, here is R2, and this is your R3. So R1 is changed to C1. 2 minus 9 minus 6, 2 minus 9 minus 6, 0 minus 2 minus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 3 2, minus 1 3 2. So this is your adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A already you have calculated. This will equal to 1 by A minus 1. So this can be written as, if you bring this minus sign under the brackets, so this can be written as minus 2, 0, plus 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2. So this is the inverse of A. Now we want to know that answer is correct or not. If you want for any matrix it is correct or not, then check it. A into A inverse must be equal to identity matrix. So multiply R1 to C1. So this can be written as 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 minus 9 plus 12. Minus 2 minus 9 is 2 into 6, 12. Again 0 into minus 2. 0 plus 18 minus 6 into 3. 18. Then 3 into minus 2. Minus 6 minus 18 plus 24. Again multiply this C2 to this R1. So 0 into 1, 0, minus 2 plus 2. Again here 0 into 0, 0, plus 2 into 2, 4. And again minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Again multiply 3 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4, 4. And again multiply C3, 2 into 1, 2, minus 3 into 2 into 1 into 1, 1 into minus your 1, minus 1 into 3, plus 3, and 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 0 into 1, 0, 2 into 2, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, and minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6. Again 3 into 1, 3, minus 2 into plus 2, plus 6, and 4 into minus 2, minus 8. And solving, see what happens. This will equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, which is a identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So if you multiply A to A inverse, it will always equal to identity. Third question is, this is your not third question, this is third type of matrix through which we have to find inverse. So that question is like, so that if A is equal to, matrix is given, then so that AQ minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0. So first we have to prove this result. So for this purpose, we have to first calculate A square, then AQ. A is also given and a value of I you already know because it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. And using this result, we have to find A inverse. So our first purpose is to calculate A square. Here A is given. So A square can be written as A into A. We can write A square is equal to A into A. And write the value of A. A will be your 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3 into A 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1 and 3 like this. And so this can be written as, multiply here R1 to C1. See here, simple multiplication, we can find the value of A square. So multiply 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 2. Again 1 plus 2 minus 6, 1 plus 2 minus 6. Again 2 minus 1 plus 6. 2 into 1 2, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, and 3 into 2 6. Again multiply with C2. So we can write 1 into 1 1 plus 2 minus 1. Again 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 3. 1 into 4 into 3. फिर 1 into 2 2 minus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 2 minus 3. Again multiply 1 into 1 1 minus 3 plus 3. And again 1 into 1 1 minus 6 minus 9. And last your 2 plus 3 plus 9. So solving we will get this will be equal to 4 2 1 3 minus 3 6 and 2 8 8 minus 1 7. So this is your 2 8 and this is your minus 3 and here will be 1, here will be minus 14 and 14 plus 14. So a square is equal to this will equal to 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 and 7 minus 3 and again 14. Here there will be minus 14 and below it plus 14. So check the answer is correct or not. 41 minus 3 8 minus 14 and 7 minus 3 14. So this is correct. And after that we calculate AQ. That we have to calculate AQ. AQ can be written as A square into A. And A square already we have find, that is your 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 into A 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. So multiply R1 to C1. So 4 into 1 4 plus 2 plus 2. 4 into 1 1 into 2 1 into 2. फिर minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 8 minus 28. फिर this will equal to 7 minus 3 plus 28. Second is multiply this R1 to C2. So 4 into 1 4 plus 4 minus 1 and again 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 8 into 2 16 minus 14 into minus 1 plus 14. So after that 4 7 into 1 7 minus 6 minus 14 and last is your multiply C3 with R1. So 4 into 1 4 3 into minus 2 6 1 into 3 plus 3 again minus 3 minus 24 plus 42. After that 7 plus 9 plus 42. So this will be equal to how much? So this can be written as 4 and 2 6 plus 2 8 and this is your minus 20 or 3 minus 23 and this is your 4 and 32 and here will be 4 4 8 minus 1 7 and this is your 30 minus 3 27 and 20 में से 7 गया minus 13 और 4 3 7 में से 6 गया 1 14 3 27 42 में से 27 गया 5 and this is your 115 and after that 9 7 16 तो 8 58. So check Q. This is correct or check. This is your checking. Checking is 7 8 7 1 minus 23 27 15 32 minus 13 and 58. So this is your correct. Now put the value in this form. AQ minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I and show it. It may be equal to 0. It is correct or not. So after that we will write, use this result AQ minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0. We have to prove that AQ minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0. So we have already get a square and aq. So here is aq means 8, 7, 1 minus 23, 27, 15, 32 minus 13, 58 minus 6a square. A square is here. So multiply with 6. 6 into 4, 24. 12, 6 minus 18. 8 into 6, 48. 14 into 6, 84 minus 84. So this will be your 42 minus 18, 84 plus 5a. So multiply 5 to a. A is here given. So you may write 5, 10 minus 15, 10 minus 5 plus 15 plus 11 iota. So this will equal to 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. So see here, this is not, I hope this is not seeing you. So I will write here this 0 is. So 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11, like so. And we have to add all these elements. So this will be equal to, see here how we will add. First you write all elements of this first column. So you can write 8 minus 23, 32. 8 minus 32 minus 23, 32. Minus this. So minus 24 plus 18 minus 42. Plus this. So plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. And after that plus 11 plus 0 plus 0. Plus 11 plus 0 plus 0. So this is your first element. And after that second element is your 7, 27 minus 13. This is your C2. 7, 27 minus 13. Again here C2 will be minus 12 minus 48 plus 18. And here C2 will be plus 5 plus 10 minus 5. And here C2 will be 0 plus 11 plus 0. And last term will be here 1, 15, 58. This is your 1 plus 1, 15, 58. Again minus 42. Here C3 minus 6 plus 84 minus 84. Here plus 5 minus 15 plus 15. And here will be 0 plus 0 plus 11. And check, all term must be equal to 0. So here 11 plus 8 plus 5, 13 and plus 11, 24. 24 minus 24, this will be 0. Again 10, 18 plus 5, 23 minus 23, again 0. Here 32 plus 10, 42 minus 42, again 0. So similarly you can check, all term will be 0. So this will equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have shown that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 0. So first we have to prove this result. And using this data, we have calculate inverse of the matrix. To find inverse of A, first we multiply LHS and RHS of this result by A inverse. So this becomes A inverse into A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0 into A inverse. So this becomes A inverse into A. This will equal to I. So this will equal to A square into I minus 6A into I plus 5I plus 11A inverse into I is equal to 0. And this will be equal to A square minus 6A plus 5I plus 11A inverse is equal to 0. So from here we can calculate that 11A inverse is equal to 6a minus a square minus 5i. So A inverse is equal to 1 by 11 into 6a minus a square minus 5i. So here a is already given, a square already you have got a square, and I you have already known. So put the value of here, you will get the value of a inverse. Now we calculate the value of 6a minus a square minus 5a. A is here given, so multiply the all elements with 6. So this will be equal to 12 minus 18, 12 minus 6 and 18 minus a square. A square you have already calculated, 4 to 1 minus 3, 8 minus 14, 7 minus 3 and 14 minus 5i. So multiply identity element with 5. So this will be your 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5 and solve it. So this will equal to, first write, C1, 6, 6, 12. And again minus 4, plus 3, minus 7. Again there C1 will be minus 5, minus 0, minus 0. Here 6, 12, minus 6, minus 2, minus 8, plus 3, and here will be minus 0, minus 5, minus 0. And last term is your 6, minus 18, plus 18, minus 1, plus 14, minus 14, minus 1, plus 14, minus 14, minus 0, minus 0, minus 5 and solve it. So this will equal to minus 3, 9, 5, 4, minus 1, minus 3, 5, minus 4, minus 1. So this is the value of 6a minus a square minus 5a. So minus 3, 4, 5, 9, minus 1, minus 4, 5, minus 3, minus 1. And put the value here. So we can write A inverse will be equal to 1 by 11 into this term. Minus 3, 4, 5, 9, minus 1, minus 4, 5, minus 3, minus 1. So dear student, this question is too long. And examination point of view, it will ask in 6 marks question. So you try to show it. It is nothing, simply multiplication of and addition of the matrix. So try to do it, and you can get. I hope you can solve the problem, and no problem of hesitation that you can calculate. If you any problem in calculation, to practice more and more, you will get the solution of the question. Homework. And 2 questions is written here. First question is find inverse of the matrix. This is your CBSE 2015 question. A is equal to 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. Find inverse of this matrix and show that A inverse into A is equal to I. Answer is given here 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. Second question is for any matrix A is equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 2. Verify that AQ minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i is equal to 0. Using this result, find inverse of the matrix. This is your NCERT question, and answer is 1 by 4 3 1 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 1 1 3. Dear student, if you feel any doubt, then ask in comment section. I will fulfill your doubts or clear your doubts. You can also ask in my WhatsApp any problem. Thank you.